In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom videos in CapCut. First, open your CapCut project so you can start working with the clip you want to adjust. Before you make any changes, make sure your video has already been imported and added to the timeline. That part is important because the zoom controls only really make sense once your clip is in place and ready to edit. If you have more than one video on your timeline, go ahead and click on the specific clip you want to zoom. This makes sure you're editing the right footage and not accidentally changing another part of your project. It's a simple step, but it can save you time, especially if your timeline has several clips stacked together. Once your clip is selected, look at the preview window. This is where you can make the zoom adjustment directly on screen. To zoom in, drag the corner handles outward. As you do that, your video will become larger inside the frame, letting you focus more closely on a subject or a specific area of the shot. This method is quick and very visual, so it's a great option if you want to adjust things by eye. If you want a more precise zoom, move over to the right side properties panel. There, select video and then open the basics section. In that area, find the scale setting. You can use the field beside the scale slider to type in a specific value. This is especially useful when you want consistency or if you're trying to match the zoom level across multiple clips. Instead of estimating, you can enter an exact number and get a cleaner, more controlled result. After you've zoomed in, you'll probably want to reframe the shot so the most important part of the video stays centered. To do that, click and drag the video directly in the preview window. This lets you reposition the footage and choose exactly what the viewer should focus on. For example, if your zoom brings attention to a face, an object, or a detail in the background, you can shift the frame until it looks balanced and intentional. Take a moment to check how everything looks in the preview before moving on. A good zoom should feel natural and should help guide attention without making the image feel awkwardly cropped. And that's it. That's how to zoom videos in CapCut.